Well, it's day 2. I'm getting ready to get suited up, switch out the paint, and get the ceiling painted. So like I said, I got some bare flat ceiling paint. Primered it yesterday. Man, it looks smooth. So I can get this painted up and I can get the walls painted. You guys have a blessed day. Well, it looks nice. I just noticed though in the sun, or with the goggles off, because I guess I couldn't see, that I have overspray all over the white ceiling. So that's wonderful. Walls look nice. They're really smooth. And I'm soaking wet. Yeah. So that didn't. I think I would almost been better off just rolling it. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. Well, it was my first time too, so. Wow, I got a lot of spray on my face. Yeah. I thought I'd be done. Surprise, surprise. All right, so next time I guess I'll need to get something. I'll have to figure out something to put tape or something. I don't know. I'll have to figure something out. I guess I'll have to tape plastic up or some kind of cardboard. Anyways, another day.